Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Gracious Womanhood. My name is Nilima Gupta and I welcome you all for another product review on my channel. And this product is going to be a skincare one. So if you like the video, hit like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID, I'll link it over here. So all of us know how important it is to feed our skin with good food, enrich and nourish our skin, keep it healthy, take care of our skin. If we want that glowing skin, that beautiful face and that pretty look, then we must keep our skin healthy and we must go for a proper skincare routine, which may include any sort of product that you all like. So all sorts of people have different kinds of opinion for their skincare routine. Some people believe in home remedies and using everything that is available in our kitchens and applying and going for 100% Ayurvedic products. And some people definitely want to go for all kinds of cosmetics available in the market. So I am a person who will do a mix and match of both. I rather choose something that is available in the market than going for something that is readily available at our homes, just because I kind of don't get enough time to apply and go for things that are at my home. So I rather keep on investing and I keep on searching and discovering new products. Same way, today I have discovered this great serum, and this is something which I have been using, and this is the right and the perfect time to share my own review with you all. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so here is the product. This is Theolis Vitamin C 20% facial serum. Also, this is their professional range of serum. So this is their professional facial serum, which has vitamin E, jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, and this is something which I found and discovered on Amazon, and I am going to put the link of the same in my description box. So if you want to buy it, you may just go there and check for the link. Alright, so starting with the review of this particular serum, first let me show you. I definitely kept the packaging with me intact just because I wanted to share the product with you. So I kept the packaging with me safe. So here it comes in this cardboard box. This is a good quality cardboard box, and inside it you get this particular serum. I am going to show it to you all. This is how serum looks like. It's a very cute and very sturdy glass bottle. So this is the cap. This is a plastic cap, and then here is the dispenser. So starting with the review now. So I'm going to show you the consistency over here. This is how the consistency of the serum is. It is quite watery, as you all can see. This is just dropping down, so you need to just massage it in your skin really well. This is on the watery side. The consistency is on the watery side, but to show you the difference, I'll just show it to you right now. You can yourself see the lightening effect that it has given me on the spot. So this has actually brightened this side of my hand as compared with this one. So this is the basic difference that I have started noticing since I have started using it. You'll not see the difference in just 1 or 2 applications. Rather, you have to go for like 2 weeks to see the result on your face. But I promise you, this is a guaranteed product which I liked a lot. So now let us move on to the claim that the company has given to us. So this is 100% free from parabens, silicones, artificial colors, fragrances and sodium lauryl sulfate. There is no fragrance as such. No fragrance as such. It is just a very mild, that fragrance that you will be getting, but no harsh or irritating fragrance that you will get out of the product. So all Theolis products are free from genetically modified ingredients, and they do not use any sort of animal derived ingredients except cruelty free natural honey or beeswax, because that is something that is needed for skincare, no? So why vitamin serum? Now I think this is more important to be discussed before proceeding further with the product. Theolis Vitamin Serum is an indispensable nutrient with advanced formula where vitamin C blends with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil and shea butter, targeted to the most common signs of aging, including brightness, firmness, fine lines, wrinkles, refined skin texture, dark spots, sunspots and discoloration. And they say that vitamin serum is something really important to be used to get that brightening effect on your skin, to get rid of those fine lines or those wrinkled or that wrinkled face. So how it is to be used? Wash and pat dry skin. If you are going to use a toner, apply the toner before the serum. Apply a small amount of serum to your entire face, neck and surrounding areas. Allow it to dry, and this can be used twice a day, like in your morning CTM and in your night CTM. Both the times you can use this particular serum. Now this is what the company has told us over here. Coming on to my personal review. Now once I got finished with my previous bottle of vitamin C serum, the Dermax one, I have shared that one as well on my YouTube channel. I'll be putting the link down below. You may go and check it over there. So once I finished that bottle, I just wanted to try something new, and I just wanted to go for something new. So that time while going through the site, I discovered this particular serum because I definitely wanted something, you know, in vitamin C form, because I've heard a lot that vitamin C definitely helps in improving the skin texture, discoloration, helps in reducing the fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots and all of that. I started using it at night time. I don't use any kinds of serum in the mornings because it tends to give that oily texture to my face. Though I have dry skin, but I don't know why any serum, like why no serum actually suits my skin in the morning. So I started to use it during my CTM and night routine. So after using it for like good 7-8 days, I started feeling that I have actually, you know, got that particular charm and particular brightness on my face, that particular glow on my face that has been missing for quite some time. So I started to find a little glow on my face, and I have been, you know, missing out on this glow for quite some time because I haven't got time enough. I have been in a lot of stress due to my work. So just to get rid of all of that, I don't prefer going for facials and all in the salons. Rather, I try doing something at my home, you know, purchase products and use all of them at my home to get that good effect, or you can say that charming effect. So that was the glow that I first noted in 6-7 days. After that, with time, I had some dark spots over here, some pigmentation you can say over here on both the sides, and also on the sides of my lips, and that also started reducing. So that was a magic for me because I started to find that the dark spots or pigmentation that you can say has started coming down with time, and that is why I just went for it. And now I feel that my skin is more healthier, it is more tighter. If you talk about the tightness, that the firmness that this particular serum gives you, so I will give a good thumbs up to this. Talking about the price, this retails for 2499. This can be a little, you know, heavy on the pocket of few of you, but this is definitely worth it. But if you're getting something which is actually cruelty free, which actually has no parabens, silicones, artificial colors and fragrances, then you can definitely go for something like this. I really liked it, and I also found the glow that this particular serum has started giving me on my regular basis, being in stress. So if you like the video, hit like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID, I'll link it over here, so you may directly go and just follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.